He's a 10, but he has no sense of humor.
I guess 4 or 5 because relationship में ऐसा sense of humor and like he should be talkative, he should be funny. अगर ना हो तो फायदा क्या relationship?
He's a 10, but he does not have a driver's license or a car.
He's a -0 because if he's manly enough, so he should have a car.
She's a 10, but she has a belly piercing.
Hey, she's an 11 then.
He's a 10, but he wants an open relationship.
-100.
She's a 10, but she doesn't know how to cook.
7.
What?
कोई बात नहीं, मैं भी बना लेता हूँ.
He's a 10, but he's a mama's boy.
He is 0. I don't like mama's boy.
He's a 10, but he brings his ex in every conversation.
This is -1, -10.
She's a 10, but she smokes a lot.
3.
He's a 10, but he likes to party.
10, of course 10.
He's a 10, but he's 5'3".
For me, he's 5'3".
She's a 10, but she's very clingy.
I think 10 क्योंकि मैं खुद बहुत क्लिंगी हूँ.
Okay.
चिपके रहेंगे एक दूसरे को.
He's a 10, but he doesn't pay the bill.
0.
He's a 10, but he's always on his phone when you guys are together.
He's a 0.
Why?
Because he should be talking to me.
She's a 10, but she has a belly piercing.
मेरे लिए या मतलब सबके लिए? अगर मेरे लिए तो फिर yes, otherwise no.